ito nga yung sinasabi ko, pag nagmi-meeting regularly, may koordinasyon, may sistema. Enforcement lang nga dito, iba yung investigation, iba naman yung counseling or yung or legal advice. Dapat talaga GM, kasama po yun talaga sa team na pag meron nag-i-inspection doon, dapat pag meron silang suspetsa, security, anong tawag dito, enforcement lang naman yung inspectors lang naman sila, di ba? Wala silang karapatan na mag-aresto doon. Dapat merong abogado na kasama kaagad. Hindi po ba dapat ganon?
Ma'am, yung sa amin po, the procedure po, but we are not part of the loop as far as the screening and the prosecution. Hindi po kami kasama dun sa...
You're not part of the loop as far as...
Screening and the prosecution po.
Screening?
And the filing of the case.
Screening of the...
Passenger po.
Of the
The
passenger.
screening of the passenger is the sole authority vested on OTS. At yung filing of the case po is the exclusive domain po ng PNP.
But again, you're supposed to have had coordination through the council. And that's the main reason why, again, if there was coordination, even if one particular responsibility rests on a particular department, you should, again, you said you coordinate. Dapat nagtutulungan talaga kayo pagdating dito sa mga nagiging biktima natin.